Well, good morning. The weather is finally starting to break here in Michigan, and it is time to get that snowblower off the X590. Today, I am going to show you how I'm going to build a cart to put that blower on so I can wheel it around instead of having to manhandle it and drag it. Stay tuned. So before we get started, let's play a little trivia, and at the end of the video, I'll answer this question for you. I am building this little cart today because A, I'm lazy and I don't like dragging it around. B, I just like making videos for you guys. Or C, I have 3 bulge discs in my back. At the end of the video, I'll let you know. Put your answers in the comments and we'll see who's right. So this is kind of a budget build here. I have my receipt from Family Farm and Home. I went there this morning and I bought 4 of these caster style roller wheels here, just under 30 bucks. So I will put a affiliate link to an Amazon equivalent in the description below. Should you want to just order some of these, you can get them on Amazon too. I was in a hurry this morning and I just wanted to go get some, and I knew they had them at the farm store. So I did buy 4 of the casters. I built one of these carts for my 5th wheel hitch, and on that I put 2 fixed wheels and 2 casters, and I've always kind of regretted that. I wish I had put 4 casters on it. So we're starting right off out of the gate with 4 casters on this one. Very simple design, just kind of built this in my head really, and so I'm going to assemble it now. But basically 4 casters. I've got 2 2x4s cut, for my particular blower I cut them at 44 inches. And then I've got 5 of these cross pieces. I'm going to use 4 cross members on the frame, something like this. Basically that blower is going to sit on these 4 cross pieces, and then I've got a 5th one here to go on the back to kind of help tip the blower, because I've always found that it needs to be rocked forward to make it easier to get on and off. So the price of 3 2x4s and 30 bucks or so for these casters, a box of screws maybe, and we're going to be in business. So I'm going to grab my screw gun and some screws, and we're going to get going. And I'm not going to be too fussy. This is a cart for my snowblower to sit on. It's not a house or anything, so I'm not going to be using a square or anything. This is going to be a lot of eyeballing stuff to put it together here. Like I said, plan's kind of in my head. Not like I have an instruction manual to follow here. That screw had some drywall dust on it. It was used as a stud finder. So we'll get both ends put together here first, and then we'll decide where we're going to put those cross members. All you guys with OCD issues are having a fit right now because I'm not using a square. I know. I'm sorry. I'm an electrician by trade. I'm not a carpenter. We're 44. 22 is going to be right in the middle. This piece is 18, so they have to match up with this piece. So let's just do this. There's 9. Center and center. How about that? Makes life easy. If this works out the way I envisioned it, this will be the back side of the blower, and the front side of the blower will rest up here. Hopefully this whole thing doesn't wind up being too tall. That's kind of my concern at the moment.
I think this is going to work out just fine. I think this is going to work out just fine. We're fabricating on the run here.
All right, so my thought is I might wind up too high if I put my casters now on the bottom of my runners. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to put my casters in here. There's enough room for them to move around as long as I make sure I'm not hitting. Get them back here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my front casters on the outsides and my rear casters on the insides, and that should work out perfect. Well, there is our finished product. Now we need to pull the tractor over here and lift the blower up, make sure we can lift the blower up high enough for this to get underneath it. We'll check it out. Well, with a little bit of luck, this thing will actually work the way I designed it. It looks like it's going to be a little too tall, so that would mean maybe I can come in from the side. Nope. Sometimes you just gotta not overthink things. And just like that, that is a thing of beauty. That is a thing of beauty. So I got lots of little chunks of 2x4 laying around. That way I keep my cart built the way I want it. And I just want to get the belt off of here real quick before we get too carried away. There we go. Get the belt loose. Now, in theory, as I back up, my roller should follow. As my tires drop off, I should drop out of that quick hitch on the blower. We'll see if this works. Well, like I said, in theory. So probably the simplest thing is going to be to put the tractor in neutral by pulling our transmission disconnect out, leaving the parking brake off, and giving it a little roll here. And just like that, we are disconnected. So it looks like I probably could have pulled a little further forward because our weight is got our cart tipping. But other than that, I'd say that's a success. Yeah, pretty effortless. I should be able to push that around and put it anywhere I want now. So there you have it, my little do-it-yourself snowblower cart. Total length of the whole project. Obviously the video is much shorter. There was a lot of running around in the background, but I did roll film the entire time before I edited it down. About 45 minutes, and that included me running out to the pole barn a couple of times and kind of experimenting with a few things here and there. So, you know, in under an hour easily, you can build this little cart, make life a lot easier on yourself. So, if you've stuck with me this far and you answered the question in the comments, the trivia question I asked in the beginning, the answer to that question is 3 bulge discs. So, I've struggled with some back pain for the last year, herniated a disc like 5 years ago. I've healed from that, but we got 3 that are giving us some trouble now. I've spent the last 3 weeks really gimping around, but I'm getting better. My right leg's getting stronger. But anyway, that's enough about me. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the next one.